clear this out. Fix the time. Next up is Tesla 3/10/2025. 3/10/2025. We're gonna go off to the daily first, see what's going on. It's the 4 hours, go to the daily. Any gaps, gap closed. There's another gap down here. What we're gonna do this first, we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. See what's going on here. Boom. That's the prior day level. Let me see something. All right, we're on the 4-hour time frame now. Boom. Let's see. So we got a support. Lines up with a resistance. So because this was a resistance first, I'm gonna put resistance. Pay attention. On the left. So this was a resistance. Now we have a support. I will do this double bottom right here. 246.76. 4-hour support. Boom. Next up we have, then again, I see this right here. Nope. I will do this right here. I'll do this as a support. All right, let's keep going back now. Let's see what's next. $246.18. 246.18. See, that lines up with this. I'm good with this. Let's go. See what's next. Boom, lines up with this resistance also. Let's see. No. We'll go back a little bit more. I don't want the supports to be too close to each other. This is fine. 245.36. Let's see. We have, this area looks nasty. 244.57. Let's see. See, this support lines up with this resistance right here also. I like that. And the support that I put back here lines up with this resistance right here and the support right here. I like that also. And it lines up right here. I like that. Nice rejection here in this area too. Okay. All right, let's go to the 1 minute time frame now and see what happens. So on the 1 minute, we're gonna go to 32. Boom, we went too far. Let's go back. This is my favorite setup actually too. So on the 1 minute time frame, we have a double top right here, right? Bearish reversal. Now we're gonna go to 934. I'm gonna show you why this resistance is so important. Boom, all right? Respecting the area, rejecting off the resistance, pay attention. We're gonna go to 940. Boom. Respecting the area, respecting the supports. We're gonna go to 950. Pay attention. You see how we came back up and we started rejecting off of the resistance? Nice, right? And even when you take this trade down here at the level we're watching, or maybe an early entry right here, you come straight down flush. Even if you come back up here, you're never, like, your entry's up here, so you're never seeing red. Look how we're rejecting off of a resistance and we're respecting the supports. See this? All the supports that I made. Let's see what happens down here. Boom, same thing. Come down, respect the resistance, respect the support, come up, reject the resistance, come back down, respect the support, reject the support, come down and respect the support. See? So this is how I found my levels downside on my favorite plays near opening bell. It's A+ setup right here, double top. Let me show you how it looks on the 5-minute time frame. Well, I told you the 5 minutes important, especially on this play. Like, that was a big sell-off. Now look at this. Look at that wick. This is a bearish reversal. Struggled to break out, double top, and just flush. Look at that 5-minute candle. See? Probably a 50% move right here, maybe more. Like, you break down here, you scale out, reject, you don't even go break even. You're probably still up 10% at this high right here. If your entry, even if your entry was at this line, you're probably still definitely up 10%. But most people probably got in right here or at this low of this green candle right here. Crazy. Let me clear this out. We go to next date I have is 6/5/2025. 6/5/2025. Let me see something. Six, 5/2025. So what's this? 6/5/2025. We're gonna go on the daily time frame. Daily time frame. We got a gap down here, but we're pretty far from it. So now we go back to the 4-hour time frame. Back to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. We have our first support here. Let me see. Okay. Nothing. Really nothing. It's like we kind of have like a resistance right here. Let me see. I'm gonna put this right. We kind of have a double top right here. I'm gonna put it. Let me see. I remember this day too. There's another support right there. 2. Okay. see anything else in between. No. I'm gonna do this last one, which is at 308.05. Okay, 308.05. Then I'm gonna check the 1 hour time frame. Do we have another support? Let's see. Do we have another support? No. Okay. So I'm gonna move this one and put it up here. Then move that and put it at this double bottom. Like that. Or I could move this, put it here. I like this much better. Let's see. I like this better. Matter of fact, I'll put that back. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Let's go to that actual date. Let's go 9:31. Boom. Same thing as the last play. Got a double top, reversal, bearish reversal. Now we're coming down. Remember this resistance right here, right? Let's go to 40. Let's not rush it. Boom. So entries here, break down, come up. We reject the original entry near the resistance. Now we can't break and hold above it. Now we're coming down to the next support areas. Boom. Reject this area again. Now we're coming down to the next support area. Okay, consolidating and bouncing. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we could hold. Consolidating again still. Let's see. Okay, recover. Let's see if it recovers the whole day. See what happens. Let's see. Does it recover the whole day? Let's see what happens. See what happened at 11. Because it still looks weak here. Let's see if it comes down all the way. Let's see. Okay, still holding. So double top, bearish reversal, came straight down, rejected this resistance for more follow through to the next levels. Definitely 4-to-1 risk to reward, maybe 5-to-1, 1-to-5, whatever you want to call it.